Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is me, Abby. And this month it came a little extra late. However, I did get both boxes. I got the base box, which is this one, the small one. And of course, I got the Boxy Premium. In case y'all don't know, guys, this one, the base box, costs you $25 a month, and the Boxy Premium costs us $35 a month. So, however, they're both awesome. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, guys. So Boxycharm, and of course the base box is pink. They actually changed the colors a couple of months back. But today we have Boxycharm. It's called Sunshine. And yay, and I love the sun, guys. I think July is my favorite month. I wonder why. No, not just because it's my birthday month, but I just love July. I don't know, especially when you get to see the beach, right? So we're gonna go ahead and get started. This is the Quick Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner. What? Look at this, guys. That's what that looks like. It is a sponge, and I'm assuming you're supposed to like wet it, right? Or I don't know, I've never used this before. Directions to remove previous color, swirl brush around the pad and in circular motion. Removes darker as well as bright shadows quickly without the use of water. Oh, so you do not wet it, guys, so don't wet this. It seems like it's already set to go for you guys. Is this little sponge here. Okay, you guys, so that was the color switch, and this is actually worth color switch $17, so that is awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna hit and move on. This is the Shate Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. So this is so cool. It's actually worth $22. So let's go ahead and see what this is all about. It smells so good. I mean, it smells good. It smells like coconutty, you know, whatever, but this is nice. So I'm excited. Next product that we're gonna go ahead and open up is the Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes eye mask. So you actually get 12 pairs of anti-wrinkle and energizing eye masks. So this is super cool. Look at that, guys. And wow, look at these. There are a lot of them, of course, 12, but super cool. How much is this? This is worth $21. So wow, this is nice. Look at this. This is all squishy. No, it says squishy. You get to see the products there. This is so nice. Look at this. You get to see the it's squishy, all that liquid and product on there. I can't wait to try these on. I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, so next one, we're gonna go ahead. Oh my god, yes. So this is the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster. So this is a serum. Oh my god, guys, I wanted this serum. I'm so excited that I got the serum. This is worth $135, guys. Like, no lie. $135. This is super cool. I mean, let's open this. So this is a serum. This is what it looks like. Look at that, guys. So nice. It doesn't really have a scent, but you know, I can't wait to try this on because I already ran out of the other one. Last but not least, we have the Per Festival 2.0. This is what it is. It's so nice, isn't it? It's so fun. So this is an eyeshadow palette, and this is worth the price on this is $36. Nice. It's $36. And wow. So this is damaged, guys. Oh no. Look at this. Look at this. I just pressed it on there because it seemed like it was just gonna fall out of there. But the rest of the colors are so nice. Well, I mean, I like it so far. I'm sure I can use some of that, right? But that is nice. And I like the colors are like fallish colors. So I'm excited to use those. So yeah, so that was the Boxycharm base box, guys. Okay, so I'm happy. I'm happy. Yeah, so just alone, guys, with like I said, the Boxycharm base box, it's worth $25 a month. So you pretty much got it with this but eyeshadow palettes here, which is worth $36. Yeah, so just with that alone, it paid off. Okay, moving on to the premium box. Okay, guys, so this is the Boxycharm premium box. Okay, we can go ahead and open that up. And this is what that looks like. Let me show you. Pretty much almost the same as the other one. Oh no. Oh, I didn't break anything. However, this is the card. Variation 51. Oh my god. I don't know what. Oh my god. Let me see. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick up whatever I dropped. This is the Laura Geller New York Line and Define dual dimension eyeliner. So I love Laura Geller's products. They're so good. Well, I don't know about her liquid liner. I've never used it. However, I've used her eyeshadows and other products. The spackle, awesome. Sorry, this is worth $24, guys. Let's see. Nice. So you have, oh, I like it. So you have navy eyeliner on one side. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Look at that. So this is the navy eyeliner. It looks weird. Like I like the, you know, the thin part, of course. However, what are you gonna do when you use all the product all the way down here? Like, how are you gonna apply that? I don't know. It's weird. I mean, I'll use it because I like blue liner. But I don't know. How is that gonna work? Let's look at the other side. So this is a liquid black liner. This is nice. Nice felt tip. Yeah, nice. Whatever. So this is worth $24. Moving on to the next product that I see here. This is the Kenya Ontiveros Beauty Set and Define Kit. This is so cute. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's like croc. That is very cool. That is nice. And wow. I am liking that highlighter. That highlighter is nice. Let me show you guys. So you have the highlighter here. You have the setting powder here. And of course, the mattifying powder. That is awesome because you get all of that in the same palette. So you can definitely do a lot with this palette. Take it to go. You know, when you travel, you have your contour, you have your dark contour, and they have your bronzer, your bronzer. So that is very nice. I like it. So this one yet alone, it is worth $42, guys. So with just this palette, it already paid off the whole box. Okay, moving on next. What is this? Folly Fire. This is what this looks like. Right here, and they actually have like all their handles right there on the side. That's pretty cool. It is vegan, it is cruelty free, no gluten, no fragrance. Oh, okay. So this is actually worth $39, guys. So this is cool. This is how you open the box, and you get 3 lipsticks in there. Kind of hard to get out from here, but let's see what they're all about. So you get 3 shades. You have Full House, you have Here to Slay, and Sunset Boulevard. So that's what that looked like. Let me go ahead and open one of them. This is the Full House here. Nice. That's what that looks like. Okay. Moving on to the next one. This is Sunset Boulevard. Oh, I like this one. I really like this one. Like a mauve color. I love that color. Anything mauve, I like. Anything neutral, I like. I don't know. I don't know. You just navigate more towards those colors. This last one is Here to Slay. Seems like it's going to be like in a red. Yes, it is red. Look at that. That is very cute. That is nice. Okay, so this is worth $39.99, so the 3-pack. Okay, I like it so far. Can't wait to try those on for you guys. Next item here. It is a cuticle revitalizing oil, milk, and honey. This is so cool. So this is for your cuticles. This is worth $18, so not bad for a. Okay, it's like all breaking apart and stuff. Go ahead and take this off. But look at this. Nice, huh? Yeah. So, okay. Let's see what that looks like on the hand. Let me go ahead and try that out. Because, guys, I don't know about y'all, but my cuticles get so dry. You know. And just to moisturize them every night. Especially when you guys get out of the shower. You know, that is the best time for you to moisturize all over. Because your pores are open. So your pores will go ahead and they'll go ahead and absorb all those products. Next one here is Skin. It's by Next one here is by Saturday Skin. This is a, where's my card? Bam. It is by Saturday Skin. This is a pore clarifying toner. Helps to smooth and refine your skin's appearance with an effective dose of 10% glycolic acid. So the pore control complex targets pore concerns with a blend of ingredients that help improve the look of balanced, clear skin. Okay, so this is pretty cool. And let's see what it looks like. Ah, nice. No wonder it's kind of heavy, but because it's made out of glass. So I can't wait to try that out. Okay, I am loving this box already. And I think I'm gonna do a whole look with this box just because you have the contour kit. You have lipsticks, you have the eyeliner, and then last but not least, oh my god, this is the Morphe palette by inspired by Manny MUA. This is him. He's so cool. I don't know what y'all think about it, but I don't know. I love watching Manny MUA. He's just super cool. But we'll see. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, nice. Oh my god, I love all these colors. Look at this. So cool. So you have your highlighters here on the side and then your eyeshadows. These are like my go-to colors right here. Awesome. And as you can see, I like gold. I don't know. But yeah, these are like my go-to. And then you have, look at the names. They're super cool. I'm just gonna say I like, because you have Leo here. Of course, it's a bronze, gold, more of a bronze. So let's see what the swatches. That is nice. You guys see that? So cool. Yeah. So I am happy. I love this palette. I think I'm gonna start using this palette pretty soon just to use it up. And then for the fall, like you have all the fall colors. This one here looks super nice. Let me go ahead and swatch this. This is called Gamenta. Okay. So let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. I don't know why I'm doing it here, but I am. I don't know. Bad swatch. Oh well. But I like it. I don't know. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm happy. So yeah, so that is the end of everything that I got. So I'm very excited about this box. Yeah, I love to be surprised.
I'm having trouble hearing you.
Like nobody's talking to you. Oh my god. Doesn't like Siri ever like just come up like out of nowhere, and then whenever you really want to do or tell her something for her to do, like she doesn't listen. Don't you not listen, Siri? Siri, you don't listen. See, now she's not gonna say anything. Whatever. Weird. But yeah, so that was all of my products. I'm super excited for the next one. That will be August, of course. Oh my god, I can't believe we're already in August, or going into August. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I really hope that you enjoyed it. And yeah, so that was all. Thank you guys, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.